Today let's make these baked whole wheat, yellow lentils and Indian gooseberry kachoris, a crispy, flaky and flavorful take on a beloved Indian snack but healthier. First we'll wash 70 gram of moong dal thoroughly until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and gives a cleaner taste. Towel dry the washed lentils to remove moisture. Then transfer them to a heated pan. Dry roast them on low-medium heat, stirring occasionally. You'll notice a nutty aroma filling your kitchen. That's when you know they are ready. Transfer them to a plate and let them cool completely. Next, in a bowl, take 152 gram of whole wheat flour. You can also use refined flour for a lighter texture. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Carrom seeds, Ajwain. Crush them between your palms to release their earthy aroma. 42 gram of melted ghee or any flavorless oil. This ensures a flaky and buttery texture. Mix until the flour resembles coarse sandy crumbs. Now gradually add 40 to 50 ml of cold water, just enough to bring the dough together. Don't need too much. This keeps the crust crisp and delicate. Wrap the dough in cling film and let it rest for 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, once our dal have cooled, we are going to grind the roasted lentils into a fine powder. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Once warm, add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida hing. This enhances the flavor. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. Let them crackle and release their warm smoky aroma. Half teaspoon of red chili powder and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder for the perfect balance of heat and earthiness. Add the powdered lentils and mix well to coat them with the spices. Next, season with salt to taste. Then add 30 gram of finely chopped Indian gooseberries, that is amla. This brings a tangy, slightly sweet contrast. Next add roasted gram flour, that is besan, and pour in 40 to 50 ml of water. Just enough to bind everything together into a crumbly moldable filling. It should hold its shape when pressed but not be pasty. Add 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and mix. Transfer to a plate and let it cool. Now on with the rolling and shaping of kachoris. Take the rested dough and roll it into a thin 2 mm sheet. It may feel delicate and slightly crumble. Just press gently and keep rolling. Trim the edges and cut into rectangle using a cutter. Pair them up for easy assembly. Place a general portion of now cooled filling onto one rectangle. Before sealing, poke the top sheet with a fork or a knife to prevent puffing while baking. Lightly brush the edges of the base sheet with water and gently press the top sheet over it, sealing the edges firmly. For a neat look, trim the sides and shape the rest of the kachoris the same way. Place the kachoris on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake them in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes or until they turn beautifully golden brown. These baked kachoris are a perfect guilt-free indulgence, crispy, flaky, and packed with bold Indian flavors. Try them instead of fried one this year and enjoy every bite. If you love this recipe, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Look at the delicate layer and that flavorful aromatic filling inside. Let me know in the comments, will you be making these for your tea snack? I'm Apurvi, sharing eggless baking recipes through Spoiled by Coco. Thank you for watching.